Many people only go to the dentist when they have a problem with their teeth and gums. Nowadays, most of us tend to get busy in our lives and stop caring for ourselves. We tend to eat on the go, drink on the go, text on the go, and never really stop to be in the present. Of course, there are some of us who do take care of our diet and exercise to keep fit. However, sometimes it is easier to overlook small things such as oral health. Hello everyone, I'm Vivian Benjamin. I'm a registered nurse, registered nutritionist, and the founder of Nutrition Takes. Today, in Nutrition Takes video channel, I would like to talk to you about caring for your oral health. Did you know oral health is called the window of our overall health? It is because oral health can affect your everyday life and general well-being. For example, when you have a toothache or swollen gums, you will experience pain and discomfort. In addition to that, you may lose appetite or stop eating a certain food, therefore not being able to nourish yourself. Moreover, your speech might be impaired, affecting your quality of life and work. Long-term effects would be to develop diseases such as tooth decay, gum disease, and periodontal disease. It may also lead to oropharyngeal cancer. Not only that, rheumatoid arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and endocarditis, which is the inflammation in the endocardium part of the heart, have been associated with periodontal disease. In the same way, poor oral hygiene may be associated with depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. You might have an issue to smile, talk, and taste food. This will greatly affect the way you enjoy your food and being in a community. Nevertheless, oral health can also be impaired if you have nutritional deficiency or eat too much sugary food. For example, your oral health can be jeopardized if you don't have sufficient calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin C intake. Thus, it is vital to care for your mouth and its components inside. So what are the symptoms of oral problems? You may experience symptoms such as loose teeth, receding gums, pain when chewing or biting, toothache, or chronic bad breath. The risk factors will be family history, genetics, certain infections such as HIV, chronic disease such as diabetes, inadequate brushing and flossing, and poor lifestyle choices such as smoking and the use of illegal drugs. At some point in our lives, we will all experience these common types of dental problems. It is our own responsibility to take care of our oral health so we may live life to the fullest. What are the usual types of dental problems you may encounter? Number 1. Dental cavity. This is the most common type of oral problem. It affects both adults and children. This happens due to the coating of food, bacteria, and acid in your teeth, and subsequently building plaques. The enamel of your teeth starts decaying, then continued with the dentin or connective tissue. If left untreated, it can lead to damaged gums. Number 2. Gum disease or gingivitis. Gum disease is inflammation in your gums caused by plaque. Not brushing enough or improper brushing and flossing are the primary reason for gum disease. This disease will make your gums bleed and swell after some time. Number 3. Periodontitis. If gingivitis is not treated, periodontitis emerges. This situation is a severe gum infection which results in tooth loss and serious health problems. Number 4. Sensitive tooth. Sometimes when you eat certain types of hot or cold food, you might experience pain and discomfort. This is because you might have cracked teeth, gum disease, or even receding gums. It may also happen after a dental procedure. So now that you know the symptoms of oral problems and the risk factors of dental issues, I'm going to walk you through on how you can nourish your oral health from the inside. Nutrition. Nutrition plays a significant role in your oral health as well as health as a whole. Most food has the power to heal and support your body from within. Your body requires the adequate provision of macronutrients such as carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein, and micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals to continue flourishing. Understanding the importance of nutrition and integrating it into your daily life is an important aspect of an individual's life. Nutrition not only can nurture your physical health, but also your emotional and/or mental health. Let's explore the type of food that supports your oral health. Number 1. Calcium. This power nutrient helps in vascular contraction and/or dilation, muscle contraction, and nerve functions. So what of the food that contains calcium? It will be vegetables such as kale, spinach, broccoli, bok choy, and collard greens, and organic tofu or tempeh, seaweeds, almonds, oats, and flax seeds. Number 2. Vitamin D. You cannot have calcium in your diet and not have vitamin D. Both are greatly associated with each other. The role of this vitamin is to regulate both calcium and phosphorus in your body. However, remember to add good fats to your diet because vitamin D dissolves in fat. What are the food that contains vitamin D? It will be egg yolks, liver, red meat, oily fish such as mackerel, salmon, and sardines, and fortified foods. Number 3. Vitamin C. The famous vitamin C, as we all know, is vital to keep infections at bay and heals wounds. It is also a powerful antioxidant that protects you against free radicals that damages your cell. Furthermore, this antioxidant supports the growth and development of bones and cartilage. Not only that, the production of certain hormones and chemical messengers used in brain and nerves are created by this vitamin. So what are the food that contains vitamin C? It will be vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, bell peppers, and fruits such as orange, grapefruit, and guava. Number 4. Limit sugary food. Mostly people have cravings for sweet food. Who doesn't? As we all know, sweet food can make us happy. Therefore, many choose to eat ice cream whenever they feel stressed. While some consume sweet food thanks to how they feel at the moment, others do it out of daily habit. We must be conscious of our selection of sugary food, as increased consumption causes tooth decay. So now that you know how you can nourish your oral health from the inside using nutrition, I would like to share with you on how you can nourish your oral health from the outside. While nutrition can prevent and heal dental problems, there are other interventions you can incorporate into the care of your oral health. Number 1. Good practice of oral hygiene. Proper and regular brushing, at least twice a day, keeps your teeth healthy. Remember to get fluoride-based toothpaste and invest in a comfortable toothbrush that works for you. Moreover, practice flossing at least once a day to help keep good hygiene in between the teeth. But that may seem like a challenge in your everyday busy life. At times, you may develop stubborn plaques building up in your teeth. Therefore, visiting the dentist twice a year helps keep your teeth in good condition. Number 2. Quit smoking. As you know, smoking has many negative impacts on bodies physically and mentally. Smoking leads to tooth decay and if untreated affects your body as a whole. Number 3. Gargling with salt water. Since ancient times, gargling with salt water has proven to be beneficial for oral health and sore throats. The reason behind this is salt water has the power to draw out bacteria. Similarly, it also keeps your gums healthy. Try incorporating this practice once daily. It will be part of your habit. Number 4. Toothbrush. Remember to replace your toothbrush if it starts wearing off. However, replacing it every 2 months is advisable. So, dental or oral health is an essential part of your well being, and various factors may affect your dental health. Nevertheless, behavioral change and nutritional intervention are needed if you would like to continue living life to the fullest. Remember, your body from head to toe acts as a whole. Therefore, impairment in one area sparks damage in another part of the body. So let's all keep our oral health in check to continue feeling positive and smiling beautifully.